Yeah, today topic is recycle view. Okay, uh, recycle view is easy way you to display large set of data.
Yeah,
It is simply a list or grid or staggered grid data we can display in recycle view. Uh, Let us open my screen first. Here, this is a screen. In this screen, by default, if you create any activity, you will get this constraint layout. In that, I took one linear. In that, I took one recycle view. Okay, this is the recycle view. Once you took and give ID, the screen will be look like this. See, this is the screen, and here I am giving one ID for this recycle view, right? Same
yeah,
ID I will find here. Okay, recycle view. Even recycle view also has adapter, man. Okay,
yeah,
recycle view has recycle view adapter, and coming to that adapter, I will see this adapter. If you want to create any recycle view adapter, you can create like this. Simple, new create a class first. Okay,
yeah,
view data adapter is my class name. Okay. Here, what you need to do is in that class name that should extend that recycle view adapter. Okay, this. If you this uh, the class name should be in this class name, and here if you go here you will get two unimplemented methods, sorry, three unimplemented methods. One is get item count on view holder and on create view holder. Okay, these are the unimplemented methods. Once you extends this recycle view adapter. Okay,
yeah,
following, right?
yeah,
In this, item view count means list count, list or array count. You need to whatever how many items you want, that items you need to pass here. Okay, any
yeah,
list. Yeah, this is for item count, and on view on bind view holder, it will bind the data. Okay, holder generally holds that view. In that view we will set the data. Okay,
yeah,
I will explain you here how you will get the data and how you will set the data, and but I'm telling you what is the purpose of this method. Okay, this method is used to set the data. Okay, on create view holder, here it should, in this we need to return the view. Okay, means whatever the layout you are using for that list item or recycle view item, that should be written here. Okay,
yeah,
the item should written here, the data will set here, and the whatever the count you are taking, right, the list count you need to pass here. Okay, this is the holder, and coming coming to this adapter, simple. See, I created one recycle view adapter here. In that I created one constructor. In the constructor, what I will pass the list data I pass from that constructor. Okay, so same data I get here. This is the data I want to display in that recycle view. Okay.
Yeah.
First thing, go to that count method. Yeah, go to this count method. Here what I did, return that whatever the list we have, that size, it will return that list size. So the count is total list size here. Okay.
Yeah.
And I told you, right, on create view folder is return view. Okay. So here what I did is we need to return that view. Okay. View equal to layout. I already told you layout inflator is used to inflate the view. Okay. And this is the way we need to inflate in adapter. Generally, you can take directly one layout inflator here, and we can directly write that inflate method here. After that, you can take that reference and directly inflate here. If you want, do you want me to show me that?
Yeah.
See here, like this, layout inflator. After that, layout inflator equal to this method. But see here, we don't have a view group, right? So you need to pass the context or activity. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, from this activity, you need to get this context. After this, here from this inflator dot inflate, you can get that data. Okay. This is the standard, but without writing all these things, we can directly write that inflator dot inflate, layout inflator dot inflate, layout inflator dot inflate. Okay.
Yep.
So here by using this, we can create a view by using this, and we are returning that view by using this view holder. Okay. It will return this view holder to this on view bind view holder only. Okay. Here view holder we are getting, and see here we are preparing that view. Okay, just whatever the layout has the IDs. Here I have only one text view. So ID text view I took here. See in that super of view, I find that ID to in this text view. So I written one public method, right? Public get text view. It will return that text view only. Okay. So view folder dot get text view. Where is that get text view? Here on the view folder. It will return this text view only, right? So this will up to here. It will return the text view. After that, by using text set text, we will set that text. Okay. Here, what I am doing is we already have the list. From the list, our get position will return that string. Okay. So
Yeah.
same string data I am setting here. Now I want to run my code. Before that, I will remove this and go to your manifest file. So here you need to update your recycle view activity. So same I updated here. Now I am running my code. See, list came, right?
Yep.
Yeah, this much data I added in that list. That's why it came like this. Okay. Now, and one more thing here, recycle view, we must use any manager, layout manager. Okay. Simply for the recycle view, we have 3 layout managers. Okay. One is linear layout manager, another one is grid layout manager, and last one is staggered grid layout manager. Okay, I will explain you one by one. Now, if you take this linear layout manager, you know, right? Linear layout. If you give vertical means the data will be plot one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay, we
Yeah.
already run this code. So by using vertical, you can see this code, right? Now I will comment this code and I will enable this horizontal code. Okay,
Okay.
I'm running my code. It will be horizontal in a single row. See, text view came, right? Like this.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
like this data will be coming because we give a given layout manager orientation or horizontal. Okay, and
Yeah.
if you want grid by using this grid layout manager, we can set our data. Here, the span count, we are given 3, right? I I already explained that number column in grid view. Same on the span count and number column in the layout is same. If you give 3 means, it will be plot 3 rows. Okay.
Yep.
See, I am running my code. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yep.
Understand, right?
Yeah.
Like this, the data will be coming. So my main motto here is you can directly use this recycle view in place of list view or grid view. Okay. This is
Okay.
the main advantage of this recycle view, and recycle view is very advanced one. Okay.
Yep.